Assemble your Vax Stretch upright vacuum in a few easy steps and you won't need any tools. First, insert the handle. It will click. Use the slider to adjust the wand to the desired height. Now store the 3-in-1 tool on the back and clip the extension hose onto the side of the machine. That's it. Now you're ready to clean with your Air Stretch upright vacuum. Makes it easy to clean your whole home from high to low. First, plug your vacuum into the mains and switch it on. Step on the floor head and pull back to start cleaning. For optimal results, we recommend you keep the brush bar rotating when vacuuming carpets. You can slide the vent cover to reduce suction as needed. Turn off the brush bar to prevent scatter when cleaning hard floors. OK, now unclip the hose from the floor head, then attach your desired tool to clean above the floor. The tool connector must be fitted between the hose and select tools. You can also attach the extension hose to reach even further. Or press the handle release button and pull out the wand. Attach it to the hose for maximum cleaning reach. When you're done, be sure to reattach the hose to the floor head before storing. Easy to clean and maintain your Vax Stretch vacuum. Let's start with a dirt container. It should be emptied after every use or when it's filled to the max line. Press here to remove the dirt container, then press the release clip to easily empty the dirt into a bin. Next, twist the dirt container lid anti-clockwise to remove and pull out the rinseable filter. Tap it over a bin to remove any loose debris. Then rinse the filter under running water, twisting and squeezing until it's clean. Leave it to dry for at least 24 hours. OK, now lift the separator straight out. Then use your dusting brush to gently remove any dirt or debris. Replace the separator, ensuring the half circle sits in the groove. Reinsert the filter tap side up, then re-secure the dirt container lid, twisting it clockwise. Next, twist the post-motor filter cover anti-clockwise to remove. Lift the filter out, check it for discoloration, and replace it if needed. Re-secure the cover, aligning the large square at the front. Then set the dirt container back in, bottom first. If the brush bar indicator is red, shut off and lay down the vacuum. Cut through any hair or threads on the brush bar and remove any obstructions. You'll need to reactivate the brush bar after you switch the machine back on. And to clean the turbo tool, slide off the locking ring and open the tool housing. Cut through any hair or threads on the brush bar and remove debris. Then refit the tool housing and slide the locking ring back into the groove.